Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences and observations using WP Engine. Today, we're taking a look at WP Engine, specifically their French website, found at wpengine.com/fr/. While seemingly just a localized version of their main site, it's worth exploring what this dedicated French portal offers to users in France. Navigating to the French site, you'll notice the familiar WP Engine layout, but with all content translated into French. This caters specifically to a French-speaking audience, eliminating language barriers and making the information more accessible. This localized approach demonstrates WP Engine's commitment to serving a global market and understanding the nuances of different regions. It's more than just a translation, it's an effort to connect with French users on their terms. Beyond the language shift, the French website likely features region-specific pricing, plans, and perhaps even customer support options. This is crucial for businesses operating in France, as it simplifies the process of choosing the right hosting plan and getting assistance in their native language. WP Engine likely recognizes that local support is a key factor for businesses, and offering this localized experience can be a significant advantage. Furthermore, the site probably highlights any specific regulations or legal considerations relevant to hosting a website in France, providing users with peace of mind. It's safe to assume that WP Engine's French site also offers tailored content, showcasing case studies or testimonials from French clients, resonating more effectively with local businesses. By having a dedicated French site, WP Engine showcases its dedication to international markets. This approach likely enhances user experience and allows for more targeted marketing and support efforts. It's a smart strategy for global companies looking to connect with audiences in different countries. While at first glance, wpengine.com/fr may appear to be simply a translated version of the main site, a closer examination reveals a deeper commitment to providing a tailored experience for French users, highlighting the importance of localization in today's global digital landscape. It demonstrates that WP Engine recognizes the value of speaking directly to its target audience in their own language and offering services that meet their specific needs. This is more than just good business practice, it's about building trust and fostering stronger relationships with clients worldwide.